Hey guys, this is Joey from Northwest Roof Maintenance. I'm going to take you guys through something we do a lot here, which is satellite dish mount removal. A lot of the times these are left up on your roof, not being used anymore. When they're installed, they put sealant over the lag bolts. Over the course of a couple years, the sealant fades away, the water starts intruding into your home, can rot your plywood out. It gets worse than that, it can cause further water damage and make its way deeper and deeper into your home. So on to the next, we will show you how we remove and repair these. Usually there's a lot more lag bolts, but we'll remove the lag bolts, get that out of our way, and then we'll jump into taking the shingles out. So we want to cover every affected area, so we're going to remove all three of these. Now we got a nice repair area to work with. All of our damaged shingles are removed. As you can see, we're left with our 4 holes from the satellite bracket, which is right here. So as you can see, things changed a little bit here. Realized that the ice and water was not a very good representation of what I was trying to show you, so I mocked up felt paper. So follow suit, we went through, we filled the 4 holes with some M1, some roofing sealant. Now what we're going to do is we're going to give ourselves some relief cuts right here. Just little ones. A little relief cut there. A little relief cut here. And we're going to take our new ice and water. We're going to slip that on in under the sides. What we're looking for here, need a little bit more. What we're looking for here is a good overlap from the old paper onto the new material. We want the sides being over it, so any water that comes through here makes it onto the ice and water. Ideally, we want it underlap, so any water that comes from the sides or above makes it onto the ice and water, and it travels where it needs to go. So next step here will be reinstalling our shingles. Go and throw some M1 on these corners, just a dab. If you have a hammer tacker, you can go through and lay some staples. That stuff down. Same thing here. Just a little bit. Don't need a whole lot. Shingles are going to press it down as well. We'll grab some shingle. Some shingles that fit. It's going to be a slightly different color, but that's okay. Concludes our dish mount removal. Thank you.